How to find this information. Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of Pennsylvania v. Russian Federation. District Court, District of Columbia. These will only turn from gray to blue, and therefore become a shareable link, when this work is done on a computer. In the United States District Court for the District of Columbia. Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of Pennsylvania. 200, Watchtower Drive, Paterson, New York, 12563. Plaintiff. V. The Russian Federation. Ministry of Foreign Affairs Smolenskaya Sanaya Plashchad, 3234, Moscow, Russia 119200. Ministry of Health of the Russian Federation. Ministry of Foreign Affairs Smolenskaya Sanaya Plashchad, 3234, Moscow, Russia 119200. And Federal State Budgetary Institution. D.A. Almazov National Medical Research Center of the Ministry of Health of the Russian Federation. Ulitsa Akratova, 2 St. Petersburg, Russia 197341. Defendants. Complaint. Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of Pennsylvania, Watchtower or Plaintiff, hereby brings this action against the Russian Federation, the Ministry of Health of the Russian Federation, Ministry of Health, and the Federal State Budgetary Institution B.A. Almazov National Medical Research Center of the Ministry of Health of the Russian Federation, Almazov, which are collectively referred to as Russia or Defendants. As discussed further herein, Almazov is the alter ego and/or an agency or instrumentality of the Ministry of Health and the Russian Federation. Plaintiff, with knowledge as to itself and as to the facts within its possession, and otherwise on information and belief, hereby alleges. 1. Preliminary Statement. This action arises out of, and seeks a remedy for, 1. Russia's unlawful expropriation of Watchtower's property, as well as, 2. The direct harms Russia has caused Watchtower to suffer in the United States through its commercial activities since that expropriation. The facts giving rise to this case, however, are part of a broader, documented, and widely condemned campaign of discrimination and persecution of Jehovah's Witnesses by the Russian Federation. Currently there are 137 Jehovah's Witnesses, men and women, ages 27 to 73, incarcerated in Russia for terms spanning 2 months to 8 years due to their religious activity. Footnote 1. Jehovah's Witnesses have been present in Russia since 1891. They were banned after the Bolshevik Revolution in 1917 and criminally prosecuted for practicing their faith in the USSR. Taganrog LRO and others versus Russia. Following the fall of the Soviet Union, and after nearly a century of persecution, Jehovah's Witnesses in Russia were able to openly practice their faith. Subsequently, Watchtower, a charitable organization, established a public presence in Russia by, among other things, obtaining title to real property in St. Petersburg, Russia, for the purpose of facilitating the peaceful and lawful religious activities of Jehovah's Witnesses. Tragically, the ability of Jehovah's Witnesses to freely and openly worship in Russia was cut short. Since at least 2007, the Russian Federation has undertaken a coordinated, deliberate, and sustained campaign of disinformation, discrimination, and persecution of Watchtower and Jehovah's Witnesses. This attack campaign culminated in Russia's illegal seizure of Watchtower's property and its ongoing occupation by the Ministry of Health and Almazov. Footnote 2. As discussed herein, given Russia's brazen and illegal conduct, and the direct effects of that illegal activity in the United States, this court has both subject matter and personal jurisdiction over the Russian Federation, the Ministry of Health, and Almazov pursuant to the Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act of 1976, 28 U.S.C. Sections 1330, 1602 etc. FSIA. To remedy the harms suffered, Watchtower respectfully requests that it be awarded compensatory damages from defendants, and that punitive damages be awarded against Almazov for its outrageous, intentional, and unlawful conduct.